We are pleased to show you the 2016 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, running boards, quad seating, four-wheel drive, heated seats, traction control, power passenger seat, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.